Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Tuesday morning, which means it's Taco Tuesday across the world, at least here in the United States. But not here today. I have something taco-ish coming in the next day or two, but not today. Let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was twofold. First, I did my pea salad for Robin and I to have for snackage. And Robin took some of that to work this morning. And then I completed doing my plow. Yes, it was a day later than I was going to. Sunday was just not a good day. But I did finish up the plow. Oh, perfect. Yummy, extra veggies, extra yummies is just fantastic. Today, because I'm working, as you know, I'm working on my next cookbook. And today is Asian vegetable beef soup. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. Good old Dutch oven. And the vessel for the rice. This soup is served over rice, very traditional Asian. I'm using good old beef and my homemade brown beef stock. I'll be using quite a bit of that. Julienne carrots, garlic, sliced. I'm going to be slicing up these white mushrooms. But baby bok choy that came from the farmer's market. Green onions that are from the farmer's market. And there's basically some little bit of olive oil for cooking up the beef, sherry cooking wine, soy sauce from Super X, ginger, sesame oil, and just a touch of Thai chili powder. And some brown sugar. Again, this is served over rice. I'll be using a long grain white rice, which is my go-to. And so these are the ingredients for the Asian vegetable beef soup. So yeah, that's what I got going on for dinner for tonight. This morning, after I get prep done, I'm going to be doing prep a little bit early, is because I'm headed down to Sacramento to what I call my Sacramento office, which is Mel's, the original diner, on J Street. I'm meeting up with an old friend of mine from Stockton to go over some marketing and advertising and promotion items for Recipes Are Just Guidelines. So I look forward to seeing my old friend. Yeah. So on this Taco Tuesday, and make sure you hit your favorite taquerias if you're having tacos. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.